Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan and this is your JIS news for Monday, February 12, 2024. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, has launched a comprehensive measurement tool for growth. The Inclusive Growth Index Framework, IGIF, was developed by the PIOJ's Growth Inducement Program and launched in a virtual ceremony last Thursday. Director General of the PIOJ, Dr. Wayne Henry, explains that the IGIF provides a more comprehensive understanding of the interrelatedness of key drivers of growth specific to Jamaica. It encapsulates critical focus areas including equality and equity, health, human capital, environmental quality, social protection, safety and security, and wealth.
By consolidating indicators relevant to Jamaica into key sub-indices and a composite index, the IGIF provides a comprehensive basis for measurement, tracking, and in-depth analysis, offering valuable insights for the creation of policy responses and proactive initiatives tailored to our people's diverse needs.
This new tool, he says, was created to significantly increase Jamaica's ability to achieve the goals and targets outlined in Vision 2030, the country's national development plan to attain improved economic and social outcomes for all.
The many years of collaborative effort that has gone into conceptualizing and developing this tool has been driven by a commitment shared by many stakeholders to expand the traditional economic growth models, recognizing the imperative of inclusive and sustainable development. It recognizes the critical importance of internal nuances in shaping a nation's development path, balancing external benchmarking with the unique characteristics that makes each country distinct.
Other stakeholders involved in bringing the IGIF to fruition include PricewaterhouseCoopers, the Foundation for Competitiveness and Growth Project, and the World Bank. The Ministry of Agriculture will be expanding its funding towards the enhancement of research stations across the island, as it seeks to reinvigorate the agricultural industry through robust research and development efforts. Portfolio Minister Floyd Green says the Hounslow Research Station in St. Elizabeth, Orange River in St. Mary, and Montpelier in St. James are among those to be targeted. This is in line with the $1.2 billion investment in the redevelopment of the Bodles Agricultural Research Station now being undertaken. Among other things, this investment has so far resulted in the development of a state-of-the-art dairy milking parlor and the installation of 5 sizable greenhouses, each measuring 100 square feet.
We've also upgraded laboratories, including post-harvest and biocontrol labs, tissue culture facilities, animal nutrition labs, and the milk lab. We've constructed new animal infrastructure. We're on the final phases now of a brand new goat house to drive our small ruminant program, and we will be doing some work on our cattle barn, and of course we have enhanced office space and staff facilities.
Minister Green gave the update as he addressed a recent press conference at the ministry. Students at the Salvation Army School for the Blind and Visually Impaired are now benefiting from an improved learning experience thanks to a donation of Braille writing machines. Braille is a reading and writing system comprised of raised dots that may be read through touch. The devices were supplied as part of the Follow the Trail Invest in Braille program, which was spearheaded by the Digital Foundation and the Open Door Jamaica Foundation. Minister of Education and Youth, Favour Williams, has welcomed the donation, which she says supports the government's almost $40 million subvention to the school.
These Braille machines, we know now, if we didn't, are not just devices. They symbolize access, empowerment, and equality. They're also a testament to our steadfast belief in the potential of every child, regardless of their abilities or circumstances.
35 sponsors from across the island took part in the Braille Machine campaign. Among them was e-Learning Jamaica Limited, which contributed 9 machines.
The Honorable Minister, thank you for coming. And JIS and the sponsors, we really appreciate you. It takes a village to educate children with special needs because of the cost involved.
The Ministry of Sport will be providing grant funding of $500,000 to each Member of Parliament to jumpstart holistic efforts for promoting physical activities and sport at the grassroots level. Portfolio Minister Olivia Grange made the announcement in a recent statement to the House of Representatives. She explains that as a member of UNESCO's Intergovernmental Committee on Physical Activity and Sport, Jamaica must demonstrate its commitment to promoting the Fit for Life program. Fit for Life is UNESCO's sport flagship program aimed at increasing participation in physical activity and sport through targeted investments.
Physical activity and sport can yield a wide range of benefits to individuals, to communities, and society at large. In each jurisdiction, the Fit for Life program will have a different look and feel. In Jamaica, Fit for Life will be multifaceted and proposes to be a harmonized approach to sport development.
The grant may be used for the hosting of community sport competitions, purchasing sport gear and equipment, field preparation, or the upgrading of sport facilities. MPs have until March 1 to submit their applications. And finally, Director of Elections Glaspole Brown has advised that special service electors will vote on February 22 ahead of the February 26 local government elections. This group comprises members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Jamaica Defence Force, and Election Day workers. Under the Representation of the People Act, provisions are made for those electors to vote 3 days before the rest of the population to ensure that they are available for duty on Election Day. Election Day workers, military and police personnel who do not vote on February 22 will not be able to do so on February 26, as their names have been extracted from the voters list to accommodate the early voting. Mr. Glaspole says more than 30,000 persons will be engaged as Election Day workers, including presiding officers, poll clerks, supervisors, drivers, logistics coordinators, and handymen. The Director of Elections is appealing to business owners and heads of institutions to ensure their workers have time to cast their ballots, pointing out that by law, every elector is allowed time off from work to vote. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.